Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video. So first of all, I would like to say thank you for all the views from previous videos and all the new subscribers. Thank you so much in advance for watching this video, and as you can see in the title, I'll be showing you how I did this Among Us helmet or astronaut helmet, whatever you would like to call it. I will be showing you how I did it step by step, so stay tuned for that. So most of my supplies were from Dollarama. The mats are $4, the pack of balloons $1.25, aluminum foil $1.25. Box cutters, I don't think, well, I'm not really sure, I haven't checked if they do carry them, but if they did, I would say $4. Hot glue gun $4, glue sticks, each pack is $2.50, clear tape $1.50, flour, I got it for $1.50. I ended up going with spray paint, which was from Walmart. That was $8. So if you have none of these stuff and you're going to get these, you're looking at a price range between $30 to $35. Here's a little tip, guys. I would recommend to, instead of doing piece by piece, to just use one long sheet of aluminum foil and then wrapping it around in one shot instead of doing it how I did it. As you can see, I struggled a lot to keep everything together, and I also ended up getting like a huge scare because the balloon ended up popping on me. So just use one long piece straight up from the beginning, then cover everything up with clear tape and just make sure you do not leave any of the foil popping through. That way it'll be easier for you to do your markings and be able to label everything right. So here's another tip. Instead of trying to glue long pieces, try gluing like inch by inch instead of trying to just glue one whole piece, as you can see that I'm doing here. You'll have a hard time to make sure every corner sticks together. It takes time, but it works better. So we reached the end of part 1. Part 2 will be uploaded in the next few days. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment if you have any questions. I will try my best to answer as much as I can. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will be uploading more DIYs in the next upcoming weeks, so stay tuned for those as well.